In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite guests in Monday.com. Inviting guests is really useful when you want people outside your organization, like clients, freelancers, or partners, to collaborate on a specific board without giving them access to everything in your account. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to set this up safely and correctly. First, log into your Monday.com account as you normally would. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand panel where all your boards are listed. Find the board where you want to invite a guest. This might be a project board, a client workspace, or any board you want to share with someone outside your team. Next, move your mouse over that board's name and look for the More Options icon to the right of it. This typically looks like 3 dots. Click on that icon. In the menu that opens, hover over the option that says Change Type. Here, you'll see if your board is currently set as a main board, a private board, or a shareable board. Guests can only be invited to shareable boards, so this step is important. If you see an option that says Change to Shareable, that means your board is currently main or private. Go ahead and select Change to Shareable. Monday.com will convert the board so that you can invite external guests to it. If you do not see the Change to Shareable option, that means your board is already shareable, and you're good to go. Now, open the shareable board by clicking on its name. At the top right corner of the board, you'll see an Invite button. Click on this button. A pop-up window will appear with 2 main sections. On the left, you'll see the area for inviting people to the board, and on the right, you'll see the section specifically for inviting guests. Focus on the Invite Guest side on the right. Click inside the field there, and then choose the option that says Invite a new guest by email. Type the email address of the guest you want to invite, double check that it's correct, and then click Invite as a guest. After you do this, look near the top of your screen. You should see a small notification confirming that an invitation has been sent to the email address you entered. That's your confirmation that everything worked, and your guest will now receive an email with instructions to join the board you shared.